this car still good though. Cause
this is it, man. I'm done, bro. What is happening, Money Gang? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy, Back to the Money Man, back with another dope-ass banger for y'all today, tonight, and every other day, man. Let me go ahead and tell y'all, man. Y'all seen the last video I just dropped with the Dark Side Movement. That was on a Tuesday. But now, we active tonight, man. It's the weekend. It's about to go down. It's about to be lit. So y'all need to stick around and stay tuned. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, to the video. And also, man, you got my boy J.I. in the background. So y'all need to make sure y'all subscribe to his YouTube channel. And also, you got my brother Q in the background. That's J.I. right here, though. You know what I'm saying?
What's up, nigga? You know what I'm saying? What's good with y'all, Money Gang? You feel me? Got my brother in this motherfucker, man.
Yeah.
They know what
it is, man.
It's gonna be one crazy night.
Before we get into all that, we still waiting on the Venom vet to come. But before all that, man, let's go ahead and roll this damn intro. Y'all know what it is, man. Y'all got to see that intro, man. Your boy, Back to the Money, man. We out here.
I hear them hating, but that's only cause they inconsistent. He said the weapon wouldn't prosper, now they wouldn't form. I'm by the golf, I hit the middle and it's good and warm. I got the $1 million motors, I've been getting to it. I got the shit that boost your ego when you listen to it. I know they waiting on the fall, but I doubt that. Cause I've been buying Bitcoin on the bounce bag. Might need a minute in the morning, I've been working late. You see me living in my purpose, I don't perpetrate. I'm certified, certain mattress off the Yerba Mate. She in the Greenville.
Don't come in here throwing all them rocks.
Oh!
I'm picture ready, man. Don't come in here throwing all them rocks on my car, sir.
Nah, you're late, bro. You're late. You're late.
Diamonds dancing and shit. You just wanted to make a scene on
Super
the
late.
Your shit already made.
Hey, D, how you doing? You late, bro.
y'all know where the fuck I live. I live where the fuck I got
This shit.
I'm sorry.
Exactly.
I'm sorry.
Okay. That's all right.
Eat it,
You killing us, man.
What?
Oh, man, we out here, man. My boy Leston pulled up finally. Y'all make sure y'all go follow my homie on YouTube. You know, Versatile Speed. Hey, it's about to get ready to go down now, man. It's about to get ready to go down, so y'all need to stick around there. Y'all need to stay tuned. But y'all know what? Until I turn this camera back on, we're going to be at this meet, man. Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy, Back to the Money, man, and we at this thing. Damn, man. Damn, truck just hit my fucking car, man. J.I. just wrecked his car. Now I just wrecked my fucking car. Man, this fucking shit here, man. This has been a fucking shitty night, shitty day, everything, man. Now I don't even have a fucking car, man. Y'all see this shit, man? Look at this. Look at this, man. Everything fucked up. Everything is like fucked up on my fucking car, man, because the tow truck. Shit, man. My boy trying. Alright, man, as y'all can see, man, look, my airbag popped out, hit me in my fucking face and everything. My fucking car is gone now, bro. Like, it's a wrap for my car. It's a wrap for my fucking car, man. Fuck, man. That's it, bro. That's fucking it, man. Man, this is crazy, bro.
I'm gonna go ahead and block off the thing. I'm gonna get you guys across. And
All right, cool. All right, mama. 1960 and 45, mama.
I think I know. I don't know what it is.
All right, 1960 and 45, mama. All right, sit in the back of this car?
No, back in my car.
Okay. I can walk over there.
Come on, bro.
All right, mama. All right. Mama, that's 1960 and 45 in front of the Waffle House. Bro, this shit here cannot make no fucking sense, man. Shit, man.
So what's it gonna be now?
ZL1.
I was close.
Yeah, that's the next one right there, the ZL1.
You had
And I had money in it.
in this one?
Yeah. Side skirts, custom calibers, powder coated keys, and my exhaust. That's gone, man.
But the frame on this car still good though. That's
It's
that
just
on
that.
both.
Yeah. It's just that. Oh shit, man. Can I get myself out of here?
Yeah, you need me to let it down a little bit or what?
You good, man. You good. Man, this has been one fucked up night, man. My homeboy JR car fucked up. My car fucked up, man. I'm trying to get to him. Man, this is it, man. The fuck, man. I'm sorry for cussing, man, but man, I can't even just like do this video shit no more, man. Like, this is it, man. I'm done, bro.